Welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that every girl dreams of: long, thick, fluttery eyelashes. Imagine waking up with naturally gorgeous lashes without needing mascara or extensions. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally possible. But hold up, before we get into all the amazing remedies and tips, tell me in the comments, are your lashes naturally long or short? I'll be reading and replying. Now, let's get into it. Why eyelashes fall out and stop growing. All right, before we talk about growth, let's understand why some people struggle with weak or thin lashes. If your lashes are constantly falling out or they're just not growing past a certain length, there could be a few reasons. 1. Rubbing your eyes too much. This damages the delicate hair follicles, leading to breakage and even premature shedding. 2. Waterproof mascaras can be drying and cause lashes to become brittle over time. If you don't remove it properly, residue builds up, weakening your lashes. 3. Eyelash curlers and extensions. While they enhance your lashes temporarily, frequent use can lead to breakage and slower growth. Lash extensions can also damage natural lashes if not applied or removed carefully. 4. Nutrient deficiencies. Your body needs essential vitamins and minerals like biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids to maintain strong and healthy hair growth. 5. Stress and hormonal changes. High stress levels and hormonal imbalances can disrupt hair growth cycles, including your eyelashes. Natural remedies for lash growth. Now let's get to the good part. Here are some amazing DIY remedies that actually work and are backed by science. 1. Fill an empty mascara bottle with cold-pressed castor oil, ensuring it's about 3/4 full. Then, pierce a vitamin E capsule and add a few drops of the nutrient-rich oil. Secure the cap tightly and give it a good shake to mix the ingredients well. Using a clean mascara wand, dip it into the mixture and apply a thin, even coat to your lashes every night before bed. This powerful combination nourishes, strengthens, and accelerates lash growth, giving you longer, thicker, and healthier eyelashes over time. 2. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a small container. Pierce a vitamin E capsule and add its oil to the blend. Stir well until fully combined. Before bed, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the mixture and lightly coat your lashes. This hydrating formula works overnight to boost growth, prevent breakage, and add natural shine, leaving your lashes looking fuller and healthier with consistent use. 3. Aloe vera isn't just for your skin. It works wonders on lashes too. It contains enzymes and nourishing properties that hydrate, strengthen, and promote lash growth. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, extract the gel, and apply a thin layer to your lashes using a spoolie brush. Let it sit overnight and wash it off in the morning for best results. 4. Dip a clean mascara wand into a tiny drop of rosemary oil and lightly brush it onto your lashes and brows. This stimulates thicker, stronger growth by improving circulation and nourishing hair follicles. Use once daily for naturally fuller, healthier lashes and brows over time. 5. Combine 1 teaspoon of black castor oil with 1 teaspoon of jojoba or coconut oil and mix well. Using a clean mascara wand, apply a small amount to your lashes before bedtime. This blend deeply conditions and supports natural growth, making lashes appear fuller and stronger over time. Onion juice for extreme growth. This one might sound odd, but onion juice is rich in sulfur, which strengthens hair follicles and promotes eyelash growth. Grate a small onion, extract the juice, and mix a few drops with aloe vera gel to reduce irritation. Apply carefully to your lash line with a cotton swab and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Argan oil, liquid gold for lashes. Argan oil is packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which helps strengthen weak eyelashes and prevent breakage. Apply a tiny drop of pure argan oil onto your lashes using a Q-tip or mascara wand before bedtime. With regular use, you'll notice healthier, shinier lashes in a few weeks. Egg yolk and olive oil treatment. Egg yolk is full of protein and biotin, making it an excellent remedy for hair growth. Mix 1 egg yolk with a few drops of olive oil, dip a clean spoolie brush in it, and apply a light coat to your lashes. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This will help thicken your lashes over time. Flaxseed eyelash growth serum. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients that promote hair growth, making them an excellent natural remedy for longer, thicker eyelashes. To create this DIY lash serum, start by adding 2 teaspoons of flax seeds to 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the nutrients to infuse into the water. Once done, strain the mixture into a clean bowl using a fine strainer to remove any seed residue. Now, to boost the nourishing effects, mix in 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of castor oil, and 13 to 15 drops of vitamin E oil. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate, strengthen, and stimulate lash and eyebrow growth. Transfer the serum into a small container for easy use. To apply, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into the mixture and gently coat your eyelashes before bedtime. Leave it on overnight to let the ingredients work their magic. In the morning, simply wipe off any excess with a tissue. With regular use, this serum can help you achieve fuller, healthier lashes naturally. Coconut oil hydration. Coconut oil deeply nourishes and protects lashes, preventing breakage and keeping them soft. Dip a clean Q-tip or mascara wand into a small amount of coconut oil and apply it from root to tip. Leave it overnight for hydration and strength, then wipe off any excess in the morning. Regular use promotes thicker, healthier lashes. Lifestyle habits for healthy lashes. Never sleep with mascara on. It weakens your lashes and causes breakage. Use a gentle oil-based remover or micellar water, and be extra careful while wiping off eye makeup. Tugging too hard can pull out lashes prematurely. Food plays a major role. Foods like eggs, nuts, salmon, avocados, spinach, and sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, biotin, and healthy fats that support lash growth from within. Adding chia seeds, carrots, and bell peppers to your diet can further strengthen hair follicles, making your lashes longer, thicker, and healthier over time. Try an eyelash serum? For faster results, use a high-quality eyelash serum enriched with peptides, biotin, and panthenol to strengthen and promote growth. Opt for a formula free from harsh chemicals to prevent irritation. Apply it along your lash line every night, and with consistent use, you'll notice fuller, longer lashes in a few weeks. Always do a patch test before starting. Stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Dehydration and lack of sleep slow hair growth and weaken lash follicles, leading to thinning and breakage. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated from within, and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to repair, regenerate, and promote longer, healthier lashes. A well-rested body supports better circulation, ensuring essential nutrients reach your hair follicles for optimal growth. Realistic timeline and expectations. Eyelashes grow in cycles, typically taking 6 to 8 weeks for noticeable results. Some remedies may show effects sooner, while others require consistent application for a few months. Since lash growth varies from person to person, don't expect overnight changes. Patience is key. Avoid harsh treatments or overusing products, as this can slow progress. Stick to a nourishing routine, and over time, your lashes will grow longer, thicker, and healthier. That's it, loves. If you found this helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because more beauty hacks are coming your way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!